Hello, and welcome to Laney Photography's short video on fill cards. In your kit, you got probably some black paper and some white paper. And if it's not a card, if it's just paper, getting it to stand up can be hard. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take these two pieces, and I'm going to tape them together. You guys all have tape. I have this old photograph that I'm going to stick in there just for a stiffener, and I'm going to wrap the paper around it. And then I'm going to take this clamp and I'm going to grab the very bottom of it and clamp it to the bottom, and the other two pieces of the handle will act as feet, and it's going to hold it up. Now you have a fill card and you have an absorption card made of black, all in one tool. Cost you nothing. You've got tape, you've got paper, find a piece of cardboard, and you're good to go. Thank you for your kind attention.